Why does your scanner show the P0935 engine code? What does it mean? P0935 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pressure sensor circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected a voltage reading from the hydraulic pressure sensor that is higher than what's considered normal for the system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, wiring issues, hydraulic power unit assembly problems, internal transmission problems, PCM or TCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.